More example of this, of who is God and who he is not, is in the Quran, in Surah Al Ikhlas, that is chapter number 112, the entire chapter. It says, Qul huwa Allahu ahad. Say, Allah is one and only. Who is Allah? Qul huwa Allahu ahad. Say, Allah is ahad. He is one and only. Allahu samad. Allah is the eternal, the absolute. Who is He? Allahu samad. He is as-samad, the eternal, the absolute. Now who He is not? The verse continues, Lam yalid walam yulad. He does not beget and He is not begotten. God does not beget. He does not have children. He does not have sons. He does not have daughters. And He is also not begotten. God does not come down to earth as a child, as a man or as a woman. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. And there is nothing, absolutely nothing that is like Him. The moment you conceive of something and you can imagine an object, that is not God, that is not Allah. We cannot imagine who is Allah, who is God. We cannot conceive of God in material terms. We cannot objectify Him. The Quran very clearly, this is a beautiful surah, Surah Al Ikhlas. Qul huwa Allahu ahad. Say, Allah is one and only. Allahu samad. He is as-samad. He is the eternal, the absolute. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He does not beget and He is not begotten. Religion of the world will tell you that God has daughters, God has sons. Christianity will tell you that the Son of God is Jesus Christ, who came down to earth as a man. What does the Quran say? Quran refutes it all. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He does not beget and He is not begotten. Wa lam yakun lahu kufuwan ahad. And there is nothing similar to Him. There is nothing like Him. This is who is God and this is who God is not.